My name is Tess Freeman and I work at the Environmental Center in the Rethink Waste program. Today I'm going to be showing you how to repair worn spots on your pants. The holes that I'm working on today are on the inside of my thigh. Ideally you want to repair them as soon as they're starting to wear through so that you have the most amount of fibers to work with. I probably should have repaired these a while ago, but there's still fiber there that I can repair. First, what you want to do is turn them inside out and darn the holes. Darning is a hand sewing technique where you weave through the exposed fibers in a crosshatch pattern. So on the first stitch, you go into the fabric in a place where it's not worn, and then weave over and under and over and under across the hole. Then you go back the opposite direction and continue until you've worked your way across the whole hole. Then you can do this 2 or 3 times, but you also want to go diagonally across the hole and come at it every direction so it really reinforces it. You don't want to pull the thread too tight as you're sewing, otherwise that'll bunch the hole too close together. Once you've finished one side, go to the other side and do the exact same thing. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to cut a patch that is going to go on the inside of your pants. You can cut your patch out of anything. I chose to use old jeans. So you want to cut the patch so it extends about 2 inches from every direction of the worn spot. If you have other worn spots in your jeans, make sure to cut the patch to cover those as well. Then you want to pin the patch in place. This is really important because as you're sewing your pants, you'll be moving them in weird angles, and you really don't want the patch to stay where you pin it so that it doesn't bunch or create bolts anywhere in your pants. Then you just sew around all the edges, either on a sewing machine or by hand. You can do either. You can also use the same color thread, which I did not, or a different color thread for added flair. After you sew on the 2 patches, you're good to go. And that'll help prolong the life of your favorite pair of pants.